Let them by.
That's a gift.
Oh, okay.
No problem.
Okay, gracias.
Give him back 20.
Okay, gracias, gracias, gracias.
La
Sigue.
próxima es. No, yo tengo la comida que bueno, ya porque yo digo, la próxima es hablamos. Exactamente. Tú sabes que eso no vale nada. Sí, sí, sí.
You got a bracelet. I'll wear it, yeah.
Igual es, ajá, la idea es comunicarse bien ahí. Exacto, sí, igual. Yo no vengo aquí a dañarte el negocio a ti. No está bien que le trae porque yo soy exacto, sí, lo que. Sí. Vale, ese es 2 y vamos
How do you tighten it? Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Perfecto, gracias. High fives now.
High five now. We're good right now.
So yeah, you got 20. So we paid 80.
I was trying to. He told me that he sold the 2 joints for 95,000 pesos.
95. This is
95,000 pesos. Yeah, it was like, bro. I mean, I can get that one for like 20,000 pesos because you know it's a joint and everything, but it's too much.
Yeah. It's just garbage weed.
It's garbage weed too. Yeah, it's like.
I told him, bro, I've been working here for a while. I know how much it costs. He said, no, the transport is the thing, you know, the translate of the thing, and you know, it's not easy to get here. At least we got 20 bucks.
Yeah, thank you. And a bracelet.
Yeah. The bracelet. Like this is money back. This is more just a memory now. I'll remember this.
Yeah, well, it's for the weed. It's kind of a nice memory.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
We got 20 bucks back and a bracelet.
Where's the fucking bracelet?
I know it's
You
not
want
that
it?
much, but that,
No. Maybe not. Hey, high five.
I know it's not that much, but that
Better than what we did.
it was the best that I could do.
I'm not ready to smoke a joint.
Where can we smoke a joint where it's not too windy? Over there, maybe.
That way, or should we go down this way? We could go up to that point if you want to climb up. Well, I was asking which way, which direction. Here. You got it? You got it. I was like, oh, man, but one more crook.
Don't ever let it take lines though. I told you this before, right? Like if there's like an option of like which line to go in,
Oh, you picked the
don't
wrong
let
one.
me pick.
You wouldn't be like a good biker, or
I always pick the worst line.
that's the key to biking.
Fat man,
Maybe over here in the theater or something.
At their spot.